Hey everyone, today we're diving into Zangi Messenger, a communication app that's been gaining attention in the messaging space. Let's explore what this platform offers and whether it's worth your time. Zangi Messenger positions itself as a secure messaging solution with some interesting features. The app offers voice and video calling capabilities, along with standard text messaging functions. What sets Zangi apart is its focus on data compression technology, which the company claims can reduce data usage significantly compared to other messaging apps. The interface appears clean and straightforward, similar to many popular messaging platforms. Users can create group chats, share media files, and make international calls. The app supports multiple languages and works across different devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. One notable feature is Zangi's offline messaging capability. The app stores messages locally when you're disconnected, then syncs them once you're back online. This can be useful in areas with unreliable internet connectivity. Security-wise, Zangi implements encryption for messages and calls. The company emphasizes privacy protection, though users should always review privacy policies carefully when choosing any communication app. The app is free to download, with optional premium features available through subscription plans. These typically include enhanced calling minutes for international numbers and additional storage space. Performance reports vary among users, with some praising the data efficiency, while others mention occasional connectivity issues. Like any messaging app, your experience may depend on your device, internet connection, and specific usage needs. Zangi Messenger offers a decent set of features for basic communication needs, particularly if data savings are important to you. However, with so many messaging options available, consider your specific requirements before making the switch. That's our look at Zangi Messenger. What messaging apps do you prefer? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more app reviews.